Presenting LG's inverter linear frost-free double-door refrigerator that is available in various capacities and ratings with a sleek and aesthetic design. Linear cooling technology powered by inverter, linear compressor and door cooling plus maintains uniform cooling throughout the refrigerator and helps keep your food fresh for long. The LG inverter linear compressor operates within the temperature variation range of ±5 degrees Celsius, thus provides even and precise cooling. The door cooling plus technology makes the inside temperature more even and cool faster. Need additional space to store your groceries? The LG convertible technology will help convert the freezer into a fridge. The Auto Smart Connect feature allows the unit to function optimally even during power cuts, as it directly connects to the home inverter automatically. With the moist and fresh compartment to store your fruits, vegetables and other edibles, enjoy fresh and crisp food whenever you like. The spacious 2-liter water bottle storage capacity on the door allows you to store bottles effortlessly. LG frost-free refrigerators are backed with a 10-year-long warranty on the compressor and 1-year warranty on the product. Get this product on Amazon.